All right, guys, welcome back. This is William Agnew, sales manager at Jekyll and Hyde. And what you see behind me is a very rare Black Series GT AMG Mercedes-Benz 2021. What's going on right now is PPF installation. And we have some of the best technicians here at Jekyll and Hyde actually doing the install of the paint protection on this AMG Black Series. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking to these guys, and they're going to be educating us, helping us understand what paint protection film is and why they actually do it on cars like this. This is $1 million car. This car just sold for $1 million. It's very rare. And obviously, right, you got to know what you're doing if you're working on a vehicle such as this. So we're going to be talking to these guys. We're going to be getting a lot of information from these experts doing this installation, helping us understand the importance of paint protection film. Paint protection film isn't just for high-end cars. It's for any car that's $50,000 up to $100,000, over $1 million, right? There's benefits for PPF with any price card that you may have, and that's what we're going to understand, when and why you should be investing in paint protection film. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk to some of these guys and understand a little bit more about what paint protection film is and when you guys should be actually utilizing it.
There we go. This here is the adhesive side, so it looks all hazy like that. Gotta get both sides wet here. Get it positioned, nice sliding around. And you can see that we have a ways to line up here. This is a pre-cut kit, so it's already designed for this headlight. But you gotta know how to stretch it to get all this out and get these points to the right marks. So I'm gonna start with some alcohol here, just to get it tacked, so that way we can stretch it. And I pretty much already have it right in place. Now you can see that it goes offline here and here, on both sides here. That's because you need to stretch it and it thins out, you see? So as I pull it, it gets into line. And so I start going my way. Now, I get my alcohol over here, just to get it stretched into place. Boom, right there. I'll pull that down. It's stuck, it told me. This is going to protect the headlight from getting all chipped up, scratched up, make it easier to clean. Bug guts, I mean, this is the main frontal impact area right here. So any rocks and debris that get kicked up and hit your headlights. It also prevents oxidation. So the haziness that you see on a lot of older vehicles, you know, in the Texas heat, all the oxidation starts to fade and it laminates the clear on top. Now this film will actually, it can be used to bring it back as well. You know, you could sand those old headlights down and put this film on there, and it'll lay into all those micro scratches and bring it back to as if it were new again. Because you're adding an 8 mil thick layer of clear. And this is a urethane base, so it actually provides protection against it. It's not just like your regular clear coat on your car, you know, because that chips up, it scratches, it fades in the sun, and this does not. The film manufacturer has a 10-year warranty, but it's expected to last longer than that even. So it really depends on how hard you drive it. If you're tracking this every day, you know, you may get 10,000 miles out of it and you've got enough chipping on it because, you know, you're following behind cars and you get rocks and debris thrown up at it. And the film is going to take the damage, but it's going to protect what's underneath it. So it's not to say that it's going to last forever unless you know, let it sit in the garage, which this car very well, you know, may well be. So this has got like 50 miles on it. The motor's not even broken in.
Collector's car, definitely.
This is a collector's vehicle, absolutely. So, but it'll be protected for whoever wants to actually go out and drive it. This thing belongs on a track. And right now in the video it may look a little hazy, but that's going to clear up. It's still got a cure time to it. So the adhesive is still adhering to the headlight.
How long do they use?
You'd see that happen in the next probably 20 minutes to start to really clear out, you know. But really within 24 hours, throughout the heat of the day, it'll be fully cured to it. So.
There we have it.
Yes, sir.
Headlight is now protected. So what are you doing exactly?
I'm installing some paint protection on the hood on 2018
So how long does it take to install paint protection PPF on the hood of this car? How long would it take?
This one would probably take me about 30 to 45 minutes to install.
So how long should this last for your customer?
This film has a 10-year warranty, so if there's any issues with that, you come on back and we'll take care of you with the warranty that is provided with the film.